right, guys, let's do a few pages in our math book together. So if you will get out your yellow Alpha Plus math book and find down here at the bottom where it says see page 83, I just want you to open your workbook up to page 23 down here at the bottom. Open your workbook up to that page, and I will be doing it with you. Make my pencil a little bigger so you can see what I'm writing with. So I'm doing it on Seesaw on the screen. I'm making a video. You will actually do it on paper in your workbook. This is not something you will go on Seesaw and find. I do not have it up there. I put it up here long enough to make this video. So what you need to do is get out your yellow book and turn to page 23. And if I go too fast, by golly, you just hit pause. So the objective that we're going to be learning is you're going to count forward with or without objects, which are like little things you can move around, like the fuzzy bunny tails I use, from any number up to 100. And you're going to go by ones, twos, fives, and tens. So we're going to be practicing counting by ones, twos, fives, and tens. So you can practice that at home, and we'll be practicing it together too. So you got 0, 1, 2. What's missing? You're right, it's 3. Write down 3. Now what? You better believe it. 4. We got 5, 6. What's missing? 7. Good job. 8. What's missing? 9. Good job. So you get that written down in your best handwriting. Make sure your 9's pointing the right direction and he's not walking backwards. You can pause me if you need to get caught up, but I'm moving on to the next one. This one gets a little bit harder. So since it gets a little bit harder, give me just a minute. I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to put up a hundreds chart beside it for you to look at. Give me just a minute. You can get caught up on your first page. Hang on. I'm hitting my pause button down here for just a minute. Okay, I'm back, and I found you a good hundreds chart to help us out with. So I've got 17, 18. Give me just a minute. We've got an empty one. 18, what's missing here? We can look on our chart if we need to. 19 is missing. Then 20 comes next. You can look over here and find 20. There's 20. What comes next? 21. Okay, and then we've got 22. What comes next? You're right, 23. Then we've got 24. What comes next? 25. Very, very good. Okay, so I've gotten you started on these pages. I've kind of showed you what to do. I'm going to take your hundreds chart and I'm actually going to put one in the math room. So if you need to look at one, you can tap it, bring it up and look at it. But right now, you need to get out your math workbook and you need to follow along with what I just showed you. And then also you can tap on your hundreds chart hanging in the math room and make it big, and you'll be able to see all your numbers, and it will help you with these pages. I want you to do the rest of page 24 on your own, and also this page 25 on your own. And that's your assignment for today. Do it in your workbook. Again, you will not find this on Seesaw. Do it in your workbook. And